Alright, so somebody gave me this pedal, see if I could figure out why it wasn't working. Turns out this one was dirty and had to be replaced. Now, I don't like replacing shit that I can fix myself, so I thought why not try and clean it, because A, it's a really good quality switch, very good one, and I mean, why the hell would I waste time like desoldering and go and getting another one that might be inferior quality? I mean, it's just stupid when I can just clean it and make sure that if I do a good job, it'll hopefully last a long time, maybe a lifetime. Also, I don't like throwing shit away just because when you think about it, like 99% of the shit you've ever owned like ends up buried somewhere or floating around the ocean. Like, I don't know, your old Nintendo or Barbie dolls you used to chop the heads off of, they're floating around the ocean waiting for a stupid seagull to eat it, or I don't know, baby otter or something, sea creature, sea toad, I don't know. Just gotta pull on these tabs. These little tabs right here, they come up, you take the top off, make sure you don't lose the spring that's inside it, and bam, there you go. Also, I didn't see this thing done a lot. I don't think many people actually care this much fixing stuff. So I thought it'd be interesting. It's real quick, real easy, and you don't make fish eat plastic, because then you eat the fish and you fill yourself with plastic. I was talking to a doctor a few weeks ago. He was telling me that, you know how they always tell us our bodies are like 90% made out of water. Well, what he don't tell you, whoa, exploded. What he don't tell you is that water, most water nowadays is like 25-30% plastic. So that would make us like, I don't know, 20-22% plastic, which is insane. But I don't know, that's what the doctor said. There's just little tabs in here. I mean, I had no reason to doubt him. Why would he lie? There's little tabs in here. They are the ones that get in contact with from the middle of each group of pins to one side or the other. It's like you got these little tabs and they rock back and forth between one contact and either or. When you get some gunk or some debris down there, it just makes the thing not have good contact. I had actually already cleaned this one, but like a dummy I didn't get any footage, and I thought it'd be interesting. Just get these little tabs, make sure they're clean. You get in here with a brush, make sure everything's clean. There was just little pieces of metal or something, evidently some, I don't know, something rubbed off. And then you just put the whole thing back together. It's really that easy. You get this, the thing you step on, there's this piece of metal in here. It goes this way, and you stick the spring inside. Oh, sorry, the other way. The wide end goes outside. Okay, and then I leave this aside. You carefully put the little 3 tabs in between each group of 3 lugs, and that's it. You know, another thing the doctor was telling me is, I don't know if it's the World Health Organization or, I don't know, maybe the oil companies. They're hiding a little rare known fact is that in every regular household, most of the dust you see on furniture and stuff, it comes from us shedding our skin. And that skin, like the rest of the body, it is like 20-22% plastic. So the reason they hide this is because skin rots away, because there's, you know, small creatures like microscopic stuff that eats their way through your skin. But plastic remains, which means that any idiot with a 3D printer could build basically anything, because it's real pure, like extremely pure plastic. that's been processed through the body. You could just wipe down your furniture. You gotta really hold on to this so that it doesn't come apart, so no more dirt can get in. Anyway, any idiot with a 3D printer, like your phone shits the bed, you can just print another one. All you need is go to some electronic store and get some parts, I guess. But other than that, it's real easy for anybody to just rebuild their stuff, and a bunch of companies would go down if that were known. But give it a try. Wipe down your furniture, put it under the microscope. It's mostly plastic, and you're gonna see the little bugs that are eating at your skin, but that just takes a little bit of time, and that's pure organically recycled plastic. It's insane. Okay, so that took like what, 5 minutes minus me rambling, and there you go. That's a perfectly working switch. Costs no money, you don't kill the penguins, and works again.